GFCI receptacles versus GFCI breaker. Can my kitchen receptacles be standard receptacles? It is my understanding that most, if not all, receptacles near wet locations, e.g., kitchens, bathrooms, etc., need to be GFCI per the NEC. Does this just mean GFCI protected? In other words, can all of my outlets in my kitchen be standard outlets if the breakers in the panel for those circuits are GFCI rated? And, if so, will this pass inspection, or do inspectors tend to prefer one way over the other? Specifically, my use case here requires a duplex receptacle under my kitchen sink to be half-switched. One always power for my Insta-hot water heater and one for my switched disposal. Because this outlet is near water, it needs to be GFCI. But I don't believe I can split the conduction break the tab of a GFCI outlet, thus creating the half-perm power, half-switched. Question from user Waffle Tacos at Stack Exchange. Answer: code requires GFCI protection. It doesn't specify whether each outlet has to be GFCI. In fact, you can have GFCI protection of plain outlets by connecting them as load to GFCI outlet. Thus, it doesn't matter whether your outlet is GFCI or GFCI protected at the level of breaker. The problem is that you will have to run outside, find your panel, and manually reset GFCI. This is bad if your garbage disposal is tripping GFCI. Someone sticks their hand in disposal. You reset GFCI at the panel. Someone is losing their hand. Answer from user says reinstate Monica at Stack Exchange.